During the discovery phase, audiences are looking for that authentic, that enjoyable content, that engaging content, that Roman Empire content, if you will. But once they hit follow, hard sells are a little bit more on the table than they used to be. So your brand needs to capitalize on this shift by creating a steady stream of content for all audiences in the discovery phase and in the consideration phase to capture them at whatever point that they are at in the funnel.
So, as you are leveling up your social media playbook, take a step back and ask yourself and your team, how can we evolve our content strategy to support buyers at every stage of their journey? This discussion question is in the companion deck that we referenced earlier in the presentation. Rachel, I'm curious, how do you ensure your team is kind of supporting buyers at every stage of the journey on social?
It's a good question. I mean, Sarah mentioned funnel, and I'll say full funnel social is how I like to think about it. So this means not just thinking about if someone has an issue, but thinking about how you respond to suggestions. How do you respond to ideas about your product? How do you give space to your customers and allow them to learn from each other? I think for nonprofits, this could mean like, what does it feel like to be an engaged donor versus what does it feel like to be maybe a more standby supporter? What does it feel like to be a non-customer of your brand or your product? Someone who's totally unaware of Sprout is like something that I'm always asking my team. And when you start answering those questions, you'll understand how to better support your audience on each stage of their journey because you're considering their experience with your content at every moment that they're kind of in.